Alright, I'm doing a review on the FITINDEX Body Fat Smart Scale. I recently just got this, and this is how it looks like after you get it out of the Amazon box. It's pretty nice, the box. It's like good material. When you open it up, it looks like this. You could lift off the phone piece and you reveal the scale itself. This scale is actually pretty small in comparison to other body fat scales that I've seen and have purchased. What I like about this one is that it has a red lighting to it. It's pretty nice. It's pretty thin too. The package itself already comes with batteries in the back, and it measures 11 body metrics, and it comes with an app called also FITINDEX. The app is pretty sleek itself. The GUI is pretty nice. I have another body fat scale too, and this one measures the same body weight that I get on the other body fat scale, but the body fat percentage varies from the two scales that I have. This one measures lower, and the other one that I have measures a little bit higher, so I'm not really sure how great the accuracy is. But yeah, it's pretty nice compared to the other one, because this one's a little smaller, and I can fit it somewhere like the other one wouldn't fit. But overall, this is pretty nice. I've used it so far for like a couple days. I mean, I got it like a few days ago. But yeah, I would recommend this. I'm gonna leave a review too on the page itself and some pictures of this after I'm done. Alright, have a good day, and thank you for watching this review.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.